is committed to professional manufacturing and strict quality control. We ensure that the products and services we provide are beyond your expectations. We comply with strict component selection, rigorous process control, reliability, and a highly accurate traceability system. Uniview's Components Analysis Laboratory is a professional laboratory equipped with advanced instruments. The laboratory provides reliability tests on optical, mechanical, and electrical components. It selects the highest quality components to ensure the quality of products. An X-ray test accurately inspects invisible electronic components inside for failure analysis. Cross-section analysis provides up to 1,000 times magnification of component pieces. It accurately inspects invisible electric components inside for failure analysis. Spray test ensures highly reliable corrosion resistance of materials and surface coatings. Highly accurate 3D measurements meet strict requirements for precise size and flatness of all mechanical parts. Uniview provides a complete environment and reliability tests during the process of research, development, and production. HALT rapidly find weaknesses using accelerated stress conditions. The drop test simulates the real-world impact it has on the finished components, allowing us to quickly ascertain whether the new product meets the requirements of international standards. Anti-vibration test helps to get accurate results when simulating the impact during transportation. ESS exposes newly manufactured products to stresses such as thermal cycling and vibration to manifest permanent or catastrophic failure during the screening process. Whether we're utilizing advanced technology to test and inspecting every component, our team is fully committed to manufacturing a quality product every time. Our dust-free room strictly meets video surveillance industry class 10,000 dust-free standard. Dust removal helps to avoid spot impact. Flatness test ensures extreme clear image with test angle deviation by 1,000. The focusing inspection ensures that each product is guaranteed to be tested. Uniview controls for quality even before conducting a first article inspection or a during production inspection. The assembly line uses highly trained people and sophisticated technologies, which increases productivity. Precise preset torque value for ease and accuracy in mounting. Automated comprehensive testing and examination improve efficiency and production capacity. Package foolproofing avoids accessory miss and error as operation. Clients will be reassured that our reliable and consistent logistics services ensure compliance with requirements worldwide. The Uniview traceability system is a self-developed system, which each process in the system plays a dynamic role in foolproofing. The system plays a retrospective role and facilitates the precise positioning of the problem range.